Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad secondary air ejection check valve and it's time to replace it? This is a secondary air injection check valve. This part here, it is going to be mounted directly on the exhaust system. And this part here, it is going to be connected to a hose that is going to be connected to the air injection pump. You see this part right here? This is somewhat of a heat shield, and it is to prevent the ends of the connector from deteriorating caused by engine heat. What is the purpose of the secondary air injection check valve? And the main purpose is to prevent exhaust gas backing up into the secondary air injection pump. When you start your vehicle, the air injection pump should be pumping fresh air going into the exhaust. This will help the exhaust burn up hydrocarbon and it will help reduce carbon monoxide. And of course, when that check valve fell, it is going to allow exhaust gas to back up inside the air injection pump. And of course, this can cause all sorts of issues such as rough idle and poor engine performance. In addition, this will cause the check engine light to turn on and you're going to get codes. You're going to get P0410 code and P0411 code. When you're getting P0410 code or P0411 code, it is possible that check valve might be the issue. One thing I like to do is I like to remove the check valve and I like to inspect the inside of the check valve. If you see a buildup of carbon on the inside, it is possible it is causing that issue. And of course, you can actually fix the issue by using carbon cleaner and spray it on the inside of the check valve and remove the carbon buildup. The next thing, make sure the hose is not loose or make sure the ends are not deteriorated, because if the end is deteriorated and it is not making a proper connection, again, you're going to get P0410 code and you might actually think you got a bad check valve when the problem is that there is a bad connection. How do you check for a bad secondary air injection check valve? And it is going to be simple. When the vehicle is running, all you gotta do is disconnect the hose. And if you see exhaust gas escaping from this end of the check valve, it means that check valve had fell and it is allowing exhaust gas to back up into the secondary air injection pump. For some vehicles, the check valve only works when vacuum is applied. For example, when vacuum is applied, it is going to allow fresh air to go into the check valve and right into the exhaust. Again, that's only when vacuum is applied. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.